The sacred bat has got to be in one of those huts. But we'll never know until I can walk freely among them. Wunderbar! He exclaimed with great relish. I'm sure it's fine. Auda's probably going for help right now.
Hello, Ace. They found me. No sweat.
Don't beat yourself up. You know, gingivitis is the #1 cause of all tooth decay.
Quincy! Oh, yeah!
What does Iquinsu Orcha mean?
White devil.
Well, tell them I'm not.
I've only met you. How do I know? He said,
Let me guess. White devil, white devil?
yes, you speak what you do.
Tell them what I'm saying. I come in peace.
In Quensu Orcha, Uza, in Koso Zana.
I couldn't help but notice that Iquinsu Orcha part. Did you just refer to me as white devil?
This how they know you.
Leave that part out from now on. I represent the princess.
Indi, in Kosa Zana.
War is hell. The last thing we want is a fight.
Ilwa manje, noma uhambe. Ngicela ukuthi ngithi kulungile. Uma enganqoba lo mnqophiso wamawashuthu angeke abulawe. The chief said, if you pass all what you do tests, you do not die.